Nothing like a clean sheet of ice. It's the stage. It's theater. Lights come up, and the boys hit the ice. Nothing like it.
Delighted to have you with us for the start of another season of the National Hockey League on ESPN.
Good luck. Let's have a great year.
Are you ready? Do you know I feel it too?
Score! Guess who? Connor McDavid! Jack Eichel is on the board, and he's giving it to the crowd. Oh, Ketchum! Holy shnikes!
Boston wins it in overtime.
Zuccarello, the hero in overtime! What a stop by Sorokin!
I can't believe that didn't go in.
Between the legs! Oh my goodness! He's done it again! Trevor Zegras shows out for ESPN+.
You're basically trying to bend the stick as much as you can.
So you're a genius in physics.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, use that stick.
No, save that!
You still got it. You still got it.
Depending where the puck is coming from, he'll move into the shot and try to get a stick for him.
Watch Jack Eichel. He's going to go upwards of 20 miles an hour.
We'll get a look at the coach's whiteboard. Everybody focused on the puck. Will Carrier comes out and dunks it in the net.
He gets so much torque on it. By the time he makes connection, the puck's already in the back of the net.
Alexander Ovechkin has done it!
The Bruins make NHL history.
It's All-Star Weekend here on ESPN and ABC.
Got McJesus, and we got Lil Mac.
To the tiki bar over my right shoulder.
How good is that?
Pass it to me, I'll give him back. Puck is in that. More than 50,000 strong have gathered to watch NHL hockey outdoors.
I've heard 100 times down here, wow, this is really cool.
My great friends at State got me a limousine. All I need is a party, brother. That's what I came here for. I want to try hockey now. I'm no Barry Melrose.
Let's get one.
Dekuye.
Thank you.
Taksamika.
Good Swedish.
We're completely animated, just like the characters in Big City Greens.
Jelly, where's the lobster tail? The guy's eating the props.
When I'm away from the rink, I'm a normal guy. I love just hanging out. The closer I get to the rink, I kind of shift into another person.
This is the Stanley Cup playoffs, where anything is possible.
Try to run, try to hide.
Kachuk wins it in overtime.
Make it 4!
What a stop!
This is a heck of a save.
Plus the overtime winner. New Jersey is right back in the series.